Hello again, everyone. This is Alan Welch from A-Team Roofing. I just wanted to show you guys a project that we just finished up here in East Nashville, over here in my neighborhood. I worked with Blake Talbott, another project manager on this job. We initially came out to this property because the homeowner had a small leak on their roof around the pipe boot or vent area. So we came out and did an inspection and discovered the cause of the leak, as well as some significant storm damage to the entire property. So we felt it was in the homeowner's best interest to file a claim, which he did. And after insurance came out and we worked together with insurance, we were able to get full replacement for the entire roof of the main house, the entire guest house roof, as well as the front and back porch flat roof as well. We were able to replace the front porch and back porch roof with a white TPO roof. It looks amazing. As well as on the regular shingle roof for the house, we did an Atlas Pinnacle Pristine. Pewter was the color they did for the shingle, and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. If anyone would like a free inspection, feel free to give us a call at A-Team Roofing, 615-205-7663.